From a distance, it is just a broken shape on a flat brown plain. No fence, no ticket office, nothing to tell you what you are looking at. Locally, it is called Namrud Ka Mahal, Nimrod's palace. That name has been attached to this mound for centuries. What survives is the core of a ziggurat, a stepped temple tower of mud brick, at the Mesopotamian city of Borsippa, about 11 miles southwest of Babylon. It was built for Nabu, the Babylonian god of wisdom and writing. Nebuchadnezzar II rebuilt it in the 6th century BC, on foundations that were already ancient. At full height, it rose around 70 meters across 7 terraces. What stands today is the burnt, half-melted top of that structure, and a great deal of rubble. Nebuchadnezzar's own inscriptions call this the Tower of Borsippa. One reading of them gives the phrase, the tongue tower. That single phrase is why the site became identified in local tradition with the Tower of Babel. It is why people still come here expecting the tower from the story. Modern scholarship does not accept that identification. The consensus is that this was a temple to Nabu, and nothing more. The Babel connection is tradition, not history. Beside the ruin there is a working shrine, and it could not look less like the mound. Why? Green domes, tiled minarets, a clean courtyard under shade canopies. One side of this place is 4,000 years old and eroding. The other side is maintained, swept, and busy every day of the week. Gates, a courtyard, a covered well. The buildings are recent, but the habit of coming here is not. Inside, the walls are cut mirror glass. Thousands of small facets throwing the light back at you from every direction. At the center, a silver lattice encloses the grave, worked metal, black cloth, and gold above it. People reach through the screen to touch it. That gesture is the whole reason the shrine is here. The visitors are not tourists. They arrive in family groups, tie cloth to the screen, and stay a while. Outside, there is the ordinary business of a pilgrimage town. Stalls, suites, shade, and drivers waiting for the return trip. So 2 things share one piece of ground: a Babylonian temple that scholarship can date, and a story about Nimrod that no one has been able to prove or entirely put down.